symmetry and asymmetry. Hello dear students, good morning. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online geometry class. Today we are going to start a new lesson. Lesson number 5. Does it look the same? Children, you are supposed to sit with your textbooks open. So let's start.
Today we will be performing various activities. Okay? Activity 1. Things needed. Poster color and a sheet of paper. Now let's make patterns from a drop of color. See, I have made all these patterns from a single drop of color. How beautiful they look, isn't it? You can also make these patterns at your home. Method for making patterns. First, take a blank sheet of paper. Fold it into half like this. Now, open the fold and put a drop of any color on the middle line with the help of brush. Again fold the paper and press it properly to spread the color. Now open the paper again. You will see a beautiful pattern. Now like this we will make another pattern. Fold it after dropping a color. Press it. Open it. See, a beautiful pattern is formed. Now, I will take red color. Apply it on the fold. Fold it and press it. And open it now. See how beautiful the pattern looks. Fold it, press it, open it. Now with blue color. Close it, press it, open it. See, a beautiful pattern is formed. Now children, can you cut this pattern in such a way that you get two similar mirror halves? Yes, from this fold. We can cut this pattern. If we cut on this fold, we will get two similar mirror halves. Now the question is, in how many ways can you obtain two similar mirror halves? Or is there any other way to obtain mirror halves? Answer is no. There is only one way to obtain two similar mirror halves, and that is by cutting on this fold. Such shapes which have two similar mirror halves are symmetric. Now look at this pattern given in your textbook, page 72. This dotted line divides the shape into two halves. Left half, right half. But if you fold it along this dotted line, the left half does not completely cover the right half. See here, this is not completely covering. So these two halves are not mirror halves. So we can say that this shape is not symmetric. In other words, this shape is asymmetric. Now look at this shape. If you fold it along the dotted line like this, this half, that is the right half, will completely cover the left half. So both these halves are similar mirror halves. So this shape is symmetric. Now consider this shape. If you fold it along the dotted line, this half, that is the right half, will cover the left half completely in this way. So both the halves are similar mirror halves and the shape is symmetric. Now consider this shape. This is the dotted line. Now if I fold this shape on the dotted line, right half doesn't cover the left half completely. See, it doesn't cover completely. So this shape is asymmetric. Sometimes it happens that even though the shape can be divided into two similar mirror halves, that is, even though the shape is symmetric, but the color scheme of the figure can make it asymmetric. Now look at this shape. If I fold this shape along the dotted line like this, I get two similar mirror halves, but still this shape is asymmetric. Do you know why? Because of the color scheme. Here green color is there and here orange color is there. So because of this difference, this shape becomes asymmetric.
Thank you. Hope to meet you in next session now.